Hey Ariane, in this video, we'll discuss AMD software detecting that a driver timeout has occurred. Step 1. Reset the shader cache. In AMD software, go to Settings, Graphics Advanced. Select Reset Shader Cache, then perform reset. Click OK to confirm. Next, use the AMD Cleanup utility. Grab AMD Cleanup utility from AMD site. Select Safe Mode, then reboot the computer. Step number 3. Update Windows and reinstall AMD drivers. Press Win+I. Open Windows Update. Run the installer. Click Additional Options. Select Install Type, then Driver Only. Click Install and follow the prompts. Restart your PC after installation. Step number 4. Modify the Windows registry. Press Win+R. Type regedit and click OK. Click Yes if prompted. Navigate to the specified registry location. Right-click on the DWNT. Select New Dword value. Rename it Overlay Test Node. Right-click and select Modify. Set the value data to 5. Click OK to save. Disable Chrome hardware acceleration. Open Chrome, click the three-dot menu and select Settings. In the left pane, go to the System tab. Toggle off Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Restart Chrome and check for improvements. Your AMD driver timeout issue should be resolved by following these steps. Thanks for watching this video.